This is a very quick impromptu video. I don't know if this is going to end up working out. That is a TV. This is a JVC plasma 42-inch TV. Was able to get it free. There was no indication of there being a problem with it, but when I got it home, there was a problem. I'll show you. Before I power it up, this was through my dad. He knows a neighbor who got a new TV, and this was his old one, probably from around 03, 04, maybe 05, 06. Somewhere in there. I don't have a firm date on it. This TV is so packed with shit that they had to give you a separate component box over here, and all this box does is connects your stuff. You have component inputs, you have composite inputs as video inputs, and HDMI wasn't around yet. You had DVI. And the book alludes to the fact that it's not even out yet, so when it becomes available you can use that. It connects to the TV panel using a D-shell connector and a DVI type connector through a proprietary cable, as you see. Black cable is power, and this has power also. Remember, like I said, no HDMI, so we can't have that. You need to use an HDMI to component adapter box to hook up today's stuff. There's a problem with it. Let me get everything turned on here to show you. Okay, let's fire this thing up. You can hear sounds. There's the problem. You see that dark stripe? Right in between the Frogger hole thing. See that darker stripe there? It should be just straight blue. Let me see if I can kill this here. Sorry. Don't worry about that. Yeah, see that weird looking stripe going down? Right there. So that's the problem. I tore this all apart right here, and I have determined, do I still have that flashlight here? No, for some reason. Okay, great. So I have determined, and this is strictly a guess, probably should turn this off before I blow myself up, that the electronic buffer board, which is this little circuit board here, is bad. There are a total of 3 of them. It has a little connector on it, another one in there that you can't see, and then a third one. Then there's another board, different part number, but pretty much kind of does the same thing, in the center of the TV with its 3 connectors, and then one at the far end that does the same. And essentially what that does is it makes 9 vertical stripes that make up the picture. And if one of these boards fail, then you get weird issues like that. So I looked online. All parts nowadays are used, but I got one shipped for $12, including shipping. So it's a gamble, and if it fixes it, great. If it doesn't fix it, oh well, it was $12. What are you going to do? It was a nice effort and got to learn a whole bunch. But I didn't tell you the fun. Oh, by the way, yeah, see all the dust? Yeah, I didn't clean it out yet. I just broke into this thing. And when I say broke into it, you see a drill and a Dremel? Yeah, it was bad. The case is over here, and you can see that screw hole is kind of knackered. They use all different screws. There's about four 46,827 different screws, 828 different screws. And that hold this thing together, and there's about 1.5 billion more that I have to remove to get to that board when it comes in. That's going to be a lot of fun. Anyways, that really is it for now. This was, again, my dad's neighbors. He got a new TV. It's not cost effective to really repair these. I think the guy's new TV was under $300 by quite a bit of a margin, and it was larger than this at like 50 inches, and it's a smart TV, all the other stuff. But hey, for $12, if I can get it working, then this would be the third plasma TV that I own. And wouldn't that be spiffy? Anyway, just a quick one. Everything's up in the air. As you can tell, I got to pack everything up for now and wait for the board to come in. Should be about a week, and then I'll get back on this project. Still, at this point in time, although you would have seen the series already, working on the basement plasma TV. So that is still pending as well. So this is just a side project. If I get this going, this is going to go upstairs to replace the Sony LCD that is there, which might then make its way down to the bar on the failed blog machine, but not sure yet. All pending, don't know. But yeah, this thing is crazy, 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 crazy. And it doesn't even have HDMI. So I would have to buy an adapter box. They're about $20. So I'd be in this thing $35 with tax on everything. And I think that's fair. I think $35 is fair. I know it's old. I know it's not, you know, it is H-digital, but, you know, we'll see. Just a little toy. I'll vacuum it out and all that kind of stuff. But waiting for the part. Enough rambling. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe. And take care. We'll see you another time with the end result with this TV. Bye-bye.